Okay, here we are. W9IE. Going to show you the tower side of the automatic tuning section first. Here's the tower, cabinet at the bottoms for all the equipment. It's a Roan 55 tower, all one piece. Tilts on the well casing. The whole tower tilts into the side yard where I can work on it. Hope I'm getting all this in the picture. It's kind of hard. See the 160 shunt on the left side, the 80 meter shunt on the right side. Come in a little bit closer on that in just a minute here. Coming back down again. Here's the tuning cabinet. Go around to this side first. This is the 80 meter shunt. Goes up this side of the tower. Comes down to a Johnny Ball insulator right here. And then continues this loop up and over and into the ceramic insulator into the tuning cabinet. On the other side, this is the 160 shunt. Comes down, same arrangement. Johnny Ball insulator, turnbuckles that can pull it taut. Up and over and into the ceramic feed through into the antenna cabinet. On the other side, I mentioned the tower, the whole tower tilts over at one time. This is the winch, very heavy duty winch. I bring a 12 volt battery out here, hook it up to the winch, pull two bolts, and the whole tower tilts. These are standoffs, just mechanical standoffs to keep the shunt out away from the tower, 12 to 16 inches, whatever I can get out of it. And the same thing on this side, it's out from the tower a ways, 12 or 16 inches. These are the coax feeds that go into the house, go to the Antenna Genius, and then connect to the flex radio equipment internally. I already loosened all the bolts so I can open up the cabinet without all the work. In here now you can see the tuning capacitor. It's 150 picofarad variable. Here's a 200 picofarad ceramic capacitor that's in series with the variable capacitor, only on 80 meters. That spreads out the tuning range on that band. I'm able to use the same tuning capacitor for both 160 and 80 meters. This is the 160 tuning equipment, cabling and connections. Here's the relay. It's a double pole, double throw relay. It's thrown automatically by the flex identification of being on 80 meters and switches the arrangement from 160 to 80 meters. Here's the motor. I used to have a DC motor out here turning a vacuum variable. Now it's a stepper motor. The stepper motor insulated there is what turns the air variable. At the top of the air variable, you can see where I have a optical sensing unit and a slot in the disc. There's 2 slots in the disc. That way I have limit slots. When I reach the limits, it'll go the opposite direction and eliminate the possibility of it going all the way around and taking a lot of time to go to the other side of the variable. So that's about it. The next video will be showing you the internal tuning equipment, where I use 2 Arduino microprocessors to tune the equipment automatically. So for now, W9IE. See you on the next side.